can see as we're drifting apart. I can't believe how it all turned dark.
Hello guys, thank you for tuning into this video. In this video, I'll be discussing about my trip to Kondapochamma Reservoir in Telangana and the things that can be done there. The reservoir is about 80 kilometers from the center of the Hyderabad city. I planned this trip to test my GoPro, so I'll be using POV videos and other videos to show the things we can do there. So let's jump to it. We started our journey from Nagar, so we took the outer ring road from Pit for a faster travel time. It's a rainy overcast day and the whole weather was cool in the month of July.
Bring me the light, 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 bring me the light.
We exited at the Shamipet junction. You can also visit Shamipet Tea Park and Lake if you have time, but we proceeded to Kondapochamma Reservoir. The entryway is scenic with forest and trees due to the Telangana Hartaharam project. The roads are great as well. The Google Maps may not show the reservoir in the satellite images, but it's actually pretty big. We recommend you to go from the north side of the reservoir to the east as it has better roads. However, there's still some patchy roads for about a kilometer or two. That's where we have traffic jam with the goats. You would encounter a canal in between and you should be able to see the reservoir on the right. The entrance you see on the north is closed. You have to take the right turn at the pump house to access the visitor's entry. You will enter a ramp and you would have to take a left from there. The entrance of the ramp is crowded, so I recommend you to go further down the reservoir for the privacy, and you would also be able to find good spots for pictures.
When the night is falling, I feel the darkness calling, like I'm afraid to love. No one can see me now. When the night is falling, I feel the darkness calling, like I'm afraid to love. No one can see me now. No one can see me
The stones and the reservoir can be accessed by jumping over the wall. It's a big drop, so take it from the poles which had pipes or rocks. The water is shallow in most areas. I recommend not to get into it. There are some areas where you can camp and eat with family on both sides of the reservoir. Overall, it's a good trip to be made in a day. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.